A wax is an ester with long carbon chains. As a reminder, this is the ester functional group. It's a carbon-oxygen double bond. On one side of the carbon-oxygen double bond is a carbon chain, and on the other side of the carbon-oxygen double bond is an oxygen with a second carbon chain. When those carbon chains are long, we refer to the molecule as a wax rather than just calling it an ester. A wax is synthesized the same way an ester would be synthesized from a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. But if we are specifically synthesizing a wax, we need to be synthesizing this from a long-chain carboxylic acid, which we call a fatty acid, and a long-chain alcohol, which doesn't get a special name. So this is just a long-chain alcohol. Waxes are found on the surface of fruits and leaves. And when they're on the surface of fruits and leaves, their job is to minimize water loss. You've probably felt the waxy feeling on the surface of like an orange or an apple. And again, this is something that the fruit places on itself to minimize, I'm having a hard time spelling that word, minimize water loss. Waxes are also found on skin, on fur, and on feathers of animals, and in that case, it is to help with waterproofing.